Our national shutdown is not a sustainable long-term solution. To preserve the health of our citizens, we must also preserve the health and functioning of our economy.
The fiscal pain that our region and the rest of the country are currently enduring cannot last forever, and it won't, says President Donald Trump, who Thursday released Opening Up America Again, federal guidelines which will drastically affect our workplace, entertainment, and sporting experiences.
Many of them are going to be starting without the fans. So it'll be made for television, and then fans will start coming in. Maybe they'll be separated by 2 seats. And then ultimately, we want to have packed arenas.
The new guidelines lay out a multi-phase approach to reopening the country.
Vigorous hygiene, teleworking when possible, staying at home if you feel sick, maintaining social distance, sanitizing commonly used surfaces.
And while individual governors are still in charge of reopening their own states, White House Coronavirus Task Force member Dr. Deborah Birx says they must first meet several criteria. Among them,
we are tracking the number of cases, and it must have a downward trajectory for 14 days, and a downward trajectory in the number of positive tests with persistence of high levels of testing.
New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, who is already working with 6 other East Coast governors on a reopening strategy.
Testing and tracing, testing and tracing, testing and tracing.
Says states obviously want to reopen soon, and just as importantly, safely, but adds they will need major financial and logistical assistance in order to regularly test tens of millions of workers.
The plain reality here is we have to do it in partnership with the federal government.
New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio was more direct in terms of what he is prioritizing now, as he announced major budget cuts Thursday that will eliminate several city services, freeze hiring, and close the city's pools for the summer.
Health, safety, food, shelter.
And this is one of the pools that will be shut down for the summer. President Trump would not identify the specific states that he believes are ready right now to begin reopening, but he says that, in his opinion, about 2/3 of the country is ready to get on that path to prepare to reopen. He acknowledges New York and New Jersey are not among them right now. We are live in Kips Bay tonight. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.